we cooking today?
Tacos.
Tacos.
Let's have to open the taco box.
Can you get it open?
No.
You need some help?
Yes.
What are you doing? Marley, what you doing?
I have my ear. I just put the meat into the tire. The time.
Okay, you need a little more sauce. It looks a little dry. Okay.
All done?
No, not all done yet.
The jam.
What is that?
Cheese.
Okay.
Cheese.
You need a little more? Looks like you took a big bite out of it already.
Yeah. But we need the not going to eat that.
How's it taste?
Yummy.
Yummy?
Yes.
Put in the meat. You need a little more.
No.
Yes, a little more.
Yes.
You're supposed to put the sauce on the meat.
Yes.
A little more sauce.
And a meat.
Lord have mercy.
And
Okay, you gonna roll it?
roll it. Down in the bag. Take the water, my channel. Bye bye. In the bye bye.